Y'all, this ride has been so freaking fun. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I haven't done one of these long form videos in a hot minute, but I wanted to share this route with you guys. I started out in Idaho Falls, Idaho, went around the Blackfoot reservoir and ended up around Firth, Idaho for a total of 207 miles. So this route is like 85% off-road, super fun, super beautiful routes. I just wanted to bring you guys along for this journey, so I hope you enjoy the video. So here we are, we ended up at Poison Creek. I've never heard of that, but that's kind of an ominous, spooky name. But check out this view, it's beautiful out here. It's so quiet, minus my squeaky boots, but that's all right. We're here for the squeaky boots because at least we won't have any broken ankles. So, the one thing I forgot to bring on this trip was a chair. So, sitting on the ground it is. Hopefully there's not too many ants, but I have this chicken pesto pasta I'm gonna try to eat. I brought my little jet boil. The Heliante. There we go. Yeah. Sorry about the wind. So while I wait for water to boil, it's a little windy. I'm trying to use my backpack and the peak bag to block the wind. But oh my gosh, you guys, so beautiful out here. The road is just literally right there. So super easy spot to pull off and have some lunch. Dude, I've never seen that many sheep up close in my entire freaking life. I didn't know what to do. Go figure, my camera died because I was so mesmerized by the sheep that I forgot to turn it off and I forgot to charge it. So it's dead. And of course my helmet was off facing the ground at nothing. So I am about to hit the road again, literally the road. So dude, all those sheep, like, I love Idaho so much. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know if like I could ride through them or not. Never ran into a fucking herd of sheep on the road before, so I didn't know what to do. I tried to talk with the sheep herders a little bit. They didn't speak any English. I didn't speak any Spanish. So we didn't really communicate much, but I just kept giving them like thumbs up. I think it's so amazing what they do. I think it's impressive as fuck. Like fucking straight up cowboys, dude, on their freaking horses. So cool. So amazing. Anyway, I'm gonna let my camera charge in my bag for a while, so y'all aren't gonna miss much. It's just the pavement. But let's keep riding.